No, ma'am, I was actually saying for the quiz. Like, could
Okay,
you please post?
sure, sure. I'll because it's on Wednesday. I'll post by Wednesday. No issues.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to talk about input-output operations in file, okay, and random access and error handling. So I'll discuss input-output operations today. So C provides several different functions for reading and writing. Get C for reading a character, put C for writing a character, fprintf, fscanf, and fgetS. So fprintf write sets of data values, fscanf reads the set of data values. So what's the difference between fprintf and printf? Printf prints on the screen and fprintf prints in the file. And scanf reads from the console or screen and fscanf reads the data from the file. Okay, exactly same thing with fgetS. Now let's see fprintf. So works just like printf except that its first argument is a file pointer from where we want to print our data. Print our data means we want to store something, and if I want to say like hello world and I want to store it in the file which points to fptr, so this statement will write hello world to the file. Okay, so exactly same thing. Percent d a comma b. So this is a format specified for integer. So it will write 10 and 20. Suppose values were there in a and b. So it will write 10 and 20 in the file.
Oh, ma'am, in the slides, can you go back to the slides?
Yeah, sure.
Next slide, please.
Yes.
Ma'am, here it will print hello world, and will there be a line gap? Then it will print the values of A or B, or it will print directly in the file.
You tell me how it should be printed. Any one of you guesses? Any guesses?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
backslash n will move the cursor to the next line,
Yes, right. And
and
Then it
then
will
it will
print
print
AB.
A and B values.
right, A space B, right?
Yes. Ma'am, I just wanted to ask that in on the online websites, I read that sometimes they use backslash r backslash n.
Mhm.
What does that mean?
So backslash R, backslash N. I'm not quite sure. You have to search.
I'm like I searched, they said backslash r is carriage return.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm like, what does that do?
ma'am,
Is written. I have to also search it. I don't remember all the syntax for this. Have you seen what carriage returns does? Any one of you?
ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, in 11, 12, we have studied that it is for operating system. Like for units, it is different. But still, in carriage return is same as enter, as per my knowledge.
I
And
guess. Hmm. I
and
guess. Hmm.
ma'am, it varies from operating system to operating system. Like for Windows, there is something, and for Linux or Unix systems, there are something else.
Hmm. So, carriage return, what according to my knowledge is, suppose you have some sentence, and if I press a carriage return over here, it will move your syntax to starting. I think that's what return is. So I'm not quite sure whether it returns to the same line or to the next line, but it returns wherever the cursor is, it will return it to initial position.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
I think that's what. I'm not quite sure. Just check the syntax in the C programming book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So here, what will be written? 10. Suppose A was having 10 and B was having 20. So it will print 10 space 20. Why this is space? Because in string we are giving space as input, right? Over here. So it will print hello world and in next line it will print 10 space 20, right? This is clear?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So fscanf, f2 F2 is the file pointer pointing to a file, some file, and then a scanf will scan the data from file instead of from the console or screen. It will read from the file. So it will %i ampersand f. So reads value from the file and store it in I and F. So I will be having, so suppose a file was having 10 and 20 written in it, 10 and 20. So it will it will put I in the 10 and F in the 20. Okay. And fscanf returns end of file when all the values are scanned. So this is fscanf. Now a simple example, hash include stdio.h int main int I comma sum equals to 0 file f2. F2 is equals to, so file star f2, what is this? F2 pointing to some file. F2 is a pointer to a file. Now F2 is equals to fopen data.txt. So this will, suppose data.txt was not existing in my system. So it will create a new file named data.txt. Okay, it will open that in the write mode. Okay, so whatever the content was there, so write mode would delete that and it will open an empty file. Now write integers to the files. Now for I is equals to 0, 10 to 15. So how many times this loop will run?
Ma'am, 5 times.
5 times. How?
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 times. Yes, ma'am, 5 times.
10, 11, 12, 13,
And
14. Right, 5 times. So it will not run for 15. Okay. So fprintf f2, what it will write in the file f2, in this file? It will write 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. And then f close. So this file will be closed. Now second program over here, reading integers from the file. So you open that file in the read mode. Now because you have opened in the read mode, it will not erase its previous contents. It will just open that text file. And while fscanf f2 %d add I. So what it will do is it will copy whatever was there in f2 in I, and it will print it and it will run the loop till end of the file is reached. Okay, so every time it will read I, so it will read the first number which was 10 and it will add it in the sum plus I. Okay, sum plus I, sum plus maybe 10, sum should be initialized to 0, sum equals to 0, right? And so sum would be 10. Now it will print sum, print 10, right? Next time what it will do, because end of file is not read, it will read 20. So 10 plus 20, sum would be having 10 plus 20 and it will print 20. Okay, and so on. Now finally you can print sum and then f close f2. So I think both of these programs are clear to you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in this program, we are scanning the integer values from the file and checking if it is not equal to end of file.
Right.
And ma'am, storing it in I variable. What if we only have to check if the if the integer is not end of file integer? Like we don't need to store it. We just want to check.
If you want to check whether the integer is end of file or not.
Like we have to scan the file, ma'am. We have to traverse the file, but we don't want to pinpoint the values. We only want to check how long is the file or something like that. We just want to open the file.
So if you want to open the file, you can use fopen. If you are having fseek command to go to end of the file, you can go end of file using that command.
Okay, ma'am.
We will see fseek later on. Okay, reading and writing a character. So getchar and putchar is there. So writing a character to a file, put C and this character variable, whatever it was having, suppose A, and it will write A into fp1 file pointer 1. Okay. Now get C, what it will do is a character variable reading a character from the file. So it will read that character A from the file and it will store it in the C. So exact opposite of the put C. So file pointer moves by one character position after every get C and put C. So if you have already done get C, so it will point to next character in the file. Okay. So this is reading and writing a simple one character from the file. Now example, file pointer F1 is there and character C is there. F open into write mode, so it will open a empty file. Okay, then C is equals to get char. If C equal to get char, uh, so whatever it will extract and check whether and a file is reached or not. It will put cf1, so whatever was the character, c equal to get char means it will take get character from the screen. So if I enter a, okay, so it will put c in it, okay, and it will paste that in F1. So it will copy. So this was file and that was screen. So it will copy this over here, right? So this process will go on, and you can take this character one by one until from the screen and copy it in the file. Now exact opposite thing would be you would be doing over here. Here you will just reopen the file again and you will read get C all the contents of the file character by character until end of the file is reached, and you keep on printing it. So you will print all the characters to the screen until your end of the file is reached, and then you will close the file. So that's all the operations about reading and writing characters from the file. So this is clear?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
what does CTLZ mean?
Sorry?
CTLZ,
Well, CTLZ.
second command, ma'am.
Uh, कहाँ पे है second command?
ma'am, in the comment.
Control Z. That is the end of the file. So
Ma'am,
you have to enter something in the console, है ना? So you will enter console A. So it will read and put in the file. You will then press enter. Then you will write B, and then it will put it in the file. You will then press enter and write C, and then you will all the ABCs are written. Now you want to stop, so you will press Control plus Z. It's different according to operating system. Okay, so end of the file. So you will press Control Z, and then it recognizes it as end of the file. So it will stop. That means C get char would be Control plus Z. Okay, so it will stop as soon as it recognizes the end of the file, and it will goes out of the loop.
Ma'am, in this get C, sorry, in the loop, the while C is equals to get char, and then, but इसमें we are not directing the character to read from the file. Then how is it reading from the file? Because we are not using get C and then we putting the pointer F1 or F2, whatever the name of the file is. Then how will the character C will get read from the file? Because it's checking for the end of file condition, right? Not equals to EOF. So that would not be on the screen. That would be in the file, but it's not reading from the file.
No. It will exactly what you are doing over here. Sorry, exactly what you are doing over here is you are simple get C, simple get S. What it does is it takes from the screen. When you specify something like file, then it will take from file, right? So get char take character from your console. So
So
if
ma'am,
you have
what will be the end of file from the console? Like, what would it look like? Like, is it a zero? Is it a null? Like, how would be define an end of file on a console?
that's what I was saying. You have to press Control Z from your system keyboard.
Okay.
That's what I was telling. It is end of file. That character is recognized as end of file. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So reading lines from a file using fget_s. Okay. Now that was about one character. Now you want to enter or read or write multiple lines or a file or a stream of characters. Okay. So for that you use fget_s. So string str pointer to an array of characters where the string read is copied. N is the maximum number of characters to be copied into str, including the terminating null character, and a stream pointer to a file object that identifies the input stream. So, it will return the function, and the function returns the str, that is a string. So basically, if you want to read lines from a file, if you want to specify how many characters you want to read from that file, so you have a file, okay, and str will be the pointer to an array of characters. So str will point to this array having many characters. So this is str. Okay. And then you will read this first character A, and you want to write this first character over here, right? That's what you want to do. So this is file. So from file you want to write one by one. And how many lines? Suppose this was 5, so you want to read 5 characters, A, B, C, D, E. So you will specify n is equals to 5. Okay. And then from which file? So this is file pointer FP, right? So this is clear. This is simple. Now, example is shown over here. Hash include stdio.h file star fptr. Okay, character line. So you have defined an array named line. So line is having 1000. You can store 1000 characters in this line array. Okay. Now, while fget s line 1000. So you want to read 1000 characters from fptr. So you were having a file fptr. Basically, this fptr is pointing to this file, and you want to read 1000 characters, and you want to copy it into line. That's what you want to do. And fgetS returns null when it's not finding any more character. It will basically it will not find anything or end of the file. Okay. So printf read line %s line. So it will read, it will whatever this line is storing every time. So it's storing suppose A. So it will print it. Keep on printing it. Okay. So it will print A, then it will print AB, then it will print ABC, and so on, and it will return 0. So this is clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, line is string.
Hmm.
And ma'am, fget line 1000, what does 1000 signify? Like we are using 1000 here also and 1000 in the second line also.
So who will tell me what does this 1000 mean and what does this 1000 mean?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, actually, ma'am, this 1000 is the maximum limit of the fgets. Ma'am, it will only read the 1000 characters of the stored in the file.
Right. And this 1000? No.
Ma'am, this
this-
one, ma'am, this one I was talking about 1000. Ma'am, the
No.
fgets one.
You have to first tell me what does this 1000 means.
Ma'am,
And
this is
char
the
line.
size of the character.
Right.
Ma'am,
Good.
character array.
Good. And what does this 1000 means?
Ma'am, this is the maximum limit of which the file will be read.
Yes. Number of characters that file you want to read from the file.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So number of characters you want to read from the file. Now file can be having 2000, 5000 characters. You only want to read 1000.
Ma'am,
So ma'am,
Yeah.
no need that both of these should be same.
No need.
Okay, ma'am.
and what does null signifies here?
Null signifies here that you have no more character. So it because you have kept
So
while
end of file.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Clear
So null
everyone?
and end of file are interchangeable. Like we
Mhm.
can use both of them.
fgetS returns null if it doesn't find anything.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Writing lines. So exactly same thing. F put S. Exactly same thing. So in getS you just read, and in puts you just write. So you want to write the string. Write a string to the specified stream up to but not limited, but not including the null character. Now you have why this statement? Anyone? Not including the null character. Where does this null is coming from?
Ma'am, a string
Control.
signified by the end of the null character or the \0.
Yeah, exactly. Because every string is ended by a null character, and you don't want to copy null character in the file, right? You want to copy only string in the file, and you don't want that null character to get copied. So it's by default it will not get copied. Okay. Okay, so following is a declaration for fputs function. So int fputs const char star file stream. Now in this file you want to copy this string str, right? So this is an array. Str is an array containing the null terminated sequence. Null terminated sequence. Str should not be having ABC. It should be having ABC and null. Okay, so sequence should always be terminated by null. Otherwise, it will go keep on running infinitely, right? So this is a null terminated sequence of characters to be written in this file. Now, stream. What is this stream? Stream is a pointer to the file object that identifies a stream where the string is to be written. Okay, so the pointer to the file object which identifies the stream where this string is to be written, right? Now example, you are opening a file. So who will tell me W plus mode? So read, write, truncate, and what was the fourth operation? Append. So which is possible in W plus mode? Reading is possible.
Yes, ma'am.
Writing is possible.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Truncate is possible.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Someone is saying yes, someone is saying no.
No, ma'am.
No,
We
ma'am.
can't.
Truncate means it will open a new blank file. So will it open a blank file?
It will open a blank file.
Yes,
Ma'am, it will erase the previous content.
right. So it will erase the previous content. Okay. So truncate is also there, and append.
No, ma'am.
Append is not there.
Ma'am, it will start from the initial position of the cursor, like the first. So,
Okay. So truncate and append is almost one and the same thing. One was also there, create a new file. So this was one and the same thing almost. Now, what it will create a new file or not? When if this file if it does not found this file.txt, will it create a new file?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It will create. And if it was R plus, will it create a new file?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No. Good. So
मैम
yes, yes.
मैम बट W प्लस तो फाइल की स्टार्टिंग से लिखिएगा ना, तो अपेंड थोड़ी हुआ, वो तो ट्रंकेट हुआ.
हाँ, मतलब इसका append इसका ऑपोजिट होता है ट्रंकेट का. तो वन एंड द सेम थिंग है ना.
मैम
Append
अभी भी नहीं
में
आया.
अपेंड और ट्रंकेट में क्या डिफरेंस है?
मैम अपेंड फाइल मतलब जो पहले से फाइल है उसके बाद में लिखना शुरू करेगा, और ट्रंकेट उसकी 0 पोजीशन से लिखना शुरू करेगा.
तो एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट नहीं हुए?
हाँ मैम, तो W प्लस तो फिर ट्रंकेट करेगा ना, अपेंड थोड़ी करेगा.
हाँ, ट्रंक मतलब वन एंड द सेम थिंग का मतलब यही है कि ट्रंकेट करेगा, अपेंड नहीं करेगा, है ना. एक ही
ओके
बात
मैम.
है ना.
मैम,
हम्म.
मैम ऑनलाइन में लिखा है कि R प्लस फाइल क्रिएट करेगा, बट R नहीं करेगा.
R प्लस क्रिएट करेगा.
यस मैम, गीक्स फॉर गीक्स पे लिखा है. मैम उसमें लिखा है बट R नहीं करेगा, R प्लस तो कर देगा.
आर यू श्योर? मुझे लगता है कि R नहीं करेगा और R प्लस भी नहीं करेगा.
Ma'am, so what is the
Link.
difference between R and R plus?
हाँ, ये आप बताओ क्या है R और R प्लस में, कौन बताएगा?
मैम आर प्लस में राइटिंग भी हो सकती है।
एग्जैक्टली सो आर और आर प्लस में यही डिफरेंस है, आर में केवल रीड हो सकता है और आर प्लस में रीड एंड राइट बोथ है। और एज पर माई इंफॉर्मेशन आर पे फाइल क्रिएट नहीं होगी,
यस मैम, नहीं होती है आर प्लस में,
है ना, और आर प्लस में भी नहीं होगी, दोनों में ही न्यू फाइल क्रिएट नहीं होती है। ओके, एंड W plus में it will create a new file if it does not found any existing file। ठीक है, ओके, सो f put s क्या करेगा, दिस इज a string क्योंकि डबल कोट्स में हमने लिखा है, तो f put s इस डबल कोटेड स्ट्रिंग को it will paste in fp file pointer। Okay, and f put s again, this statement को भी it will paste it over there in the file pointer, so your file would be having these two strings, and then you can close this file and return 0. So f put is clear?
यस मैम।
Okay, now random access. Now how to jump to a given position in a file without reading all the previous data. So setting a desired position in the file, so you have three functions, so fseek, ftell and frewind. So fseek, suppose you have a file and you want to go to a particular position in the file, so fseek will lead your cursor to this position. Okay, and getting the current position in the file, so ftell will tell that I am in the starting, it will tell the position of the cursor, where am I right now, okay, in the file, and setting the position at the beginning. So rewind, suppose you were at somewhere in the file, so rewind will make your move your cursor to the starting of your file. Okay, these three functions are for randomly accessing your file at any location. Okay, now how these positions are defined with a byte number. Okay, now first is fseek, so file pointer, offset is how many positions from the current position you want to move. Okay, and position 0, if you are it specifies where you are right now, so if you are at 0, if you are at 1, or if you are at 2, if you are from the current position, suppose I will tell like I am at 0 position and I want to move 10 bytes further. So I will write 10 and 0. Okay. Now, if I say, suppose I was in the position number 5, and now from here I want to move 10 bytes. So I will write 5 over here and 10 over here. Okay. So position where am I right now, and offset how many bytes I want to move from that position. So we
Ma'am,
will, yes.
ma'am, two questions. First of all, can offset be negative?
Yes. So this offset is negative, means move back in bytes. Second
Okay,
question.
ma'am. And ma'am, secondly, that fseek is 0 and rewind are same or something else?
Yes, one and the same.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we will start with fseek in detail in the next class. We will start with example 5. So that's all for today. Okay, so I have two announcements. So one I've already done, which was you are having test on Wednesday. Second announcement is in next week you have 3 classes. One is on Tuesday, second is on Thursday, and third is on Saturday. So I hope by Tuesday your syllabus would be completed. So in Thursday class, we will be having a revision kind of thing where people who are having doubts, they can join, and I will share the data of weak learners, and I will share the data like these students have to compulsorily join. So in Thursday's class, okay, there will be attendance, of course. So you can join, and if you are not interested in attending, like you don't have any questions, you can leave, no issues. But a weak learner should have to stay in their meeting, in that meeting. Okay, so Thursday's class would be for weak learner. Okay, I
And
will
what
share
is
the
the
list.
criteria for weak learner? We have to tell that we are weak learner, or you will identify that?
So, what I had announced, you have. So can anyone repeat what I have already announced?
Ma'am will share a list of the persons who have compulsory to attend the classes.
Right,
Others have optional.
right. So now clear to you, Om?
Remember, what is the criteria? How are you defining that? Who is weak and
So that depends upon their performance. So we have data of performance of all of you. Okay.
okay, marks and all. Okay.
ओके ठीक है. सो थर्सडे को वीक लर्नर की क्लास है और आपके लिए कंपलसरी नहीं है, बट इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन ज्वाइन. एंड वेंसडे को वी हैव क्विज एट 1, सो डू ज्वाइन. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 10 मार्क्स का है. ठीक है. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. एनी डाउट्स, एनीथिंग?
मैम सैटरडे
सैटरडे
सैटरडे को भी तो क्लास है ना मैम?
सैटरडे को फिर रिवीजन क्लास ही है, और तो सिलेबस तो कंप्लीट ही हो जाएगा ट्यूसडे को.
ओके मैम.
Okay, I'll just call out names for attendance. Till T2, okay, चलो पहले attendance. Okay, Sanat Walia,
Present, ma'am.
Guneet,
Present, ma'am.
Vivek,
Present, ma'am.
Anmol Sharma,
Anmol Verma, present.
sorry, Harshit,
प्रेजेंट मैम.
Kobit,
Present, ma'am.
Sumanshu,
Present, ma'am.
Tushar,
Present, ma'am.
Abhay,
Present, ma'am.
Ayush,
Present, ma'am.
Keshav,
Present, ma'am.
Sahil Sareen,
Present, ma'am.
Varun Malik,
Present, ma'am.
Hardik,
Present, ma'am.
Piyush, Piyush Bhatnagar,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Piyush present.
Dhruv Tyagi,
प्रेजेंट मैम.
Siddharth,
प्रेजेंट मैम.
Kaushal, Abhinav,
Present, ma'am.
Karthik,
Present, ma'am.
Sanchit,
Present, ma'am.
Rohan,
प्रेजेंट मैम.
Devansh,
प्रेजेंट मैम.
Siddhant,
Present, ma'am.
Palak,
Present, ma'am.
Debulina,
Present, ma'am.
Aniket,
Present, ma'am.
Vaibhav, Hardeep Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Kriti,
Present, ma'am.
Tisha,
Present, ma'am.
Ujjwal, Manpreet Singh,
प्रेजेंट मैम.
Priyanshu,
Present, ma'am.
Vinayak,
Present, ma'am.
Yash,
Present, ma'am.
Archie Saxena,
Present, ma'am.
Dev,
Present, ma'am.
Om Singh,
Yes, ma'am.
Sahil,
Present, ma'am.
Vashishta,
Present, ma'am.
Ananya.
प्रेजेंट मैम.
All are present. Very good. So that's all for today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.